What if you had an AI that could help you to analyze vulnerabilities, write payloads, and even decode malware without writing a single line of code yourself? Welcome to the world of KaliGPT, your AI-powered assistant for ethical hacking. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 ways KaliGPT can save your time, boost your workflow, and make you smarter ethical hacker, all while staying legal and safe. KaliGPT is a powerful AI assistant fine-tuned for cybersecurity professionals. It helps ethical hackers to understand, automate, and simplify complex tasks from explaining exploits to scripting attack simulation. Remember, this video is only for educational purposes only. Always use tools like KaliGPT on authorized systems and labs. Never use on this on real-world targets without permissions. So let's start this video. So to use KaliGPT, you need to have an OpenAI account. You need to have a genuine ChatGPT account, right? So I think you all use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life, right? So if you go to your ChatGPT and you can see these kind of user interface, and on the left side you can see some options like new chat, search chat, library, and if you scroll then you can see here is a section of GPTs. Just click on it and you can see here are the market of all the GPT. Here you have to search Kali GPT and just hit enter, and you can see the number one result is the official Kali GPT. Just click on it and start chat, and you can see this is the official interface of KaliGPT. Let me give you a brief overview of what KaliGPT is. So KaliGPT is basically an offensive security AI assistant designed for especially in offensive security tasks like writing payload, creating defenses, etc. If you are a cybersecurity professional or an ethical hacker, then in this video I'll show you how you can use KaliGPT in top 5 ways that can be helpful to you. Use case number 1: explaining exploits and CVEs. Have you ever come across a public exploit or a CVE write-up that is hard to understand? KaliGPT can break it down into simple plain English. If you write a prompt like plan or break down CVE 2021-41773 and hit enter, and you can see the response of KaliGPT. You can see KaliGPT has simplified the CVE, the affected version, which is Apache Server 2.4.49, the root cause of it, exploitability, severity, and all the technical details, how the vulnerability affect, and all the URLs where it came from, and the actual payload, and also how did the vulnerability affect the particular software, also exploitation and proof of concept, mitigation and detection, and TLDR approach. You can see the structured approach and the structured description of KaliGPT. It's like having a cybersecurity tutor by your side, great for students and beginners. Case number 2: payload crafting and assistance. KaliGPT can help you to generate custom payloads in Bash, Python, or even PowerShell for use in authorized penetration testing labs like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. Let me show you how. If you write a prompt like write a Bash payload to send system info to my local listener and hit enter, and you can see the response of KaliGPT. It is first warning the ethical guidelines, and it is also suggesting the tools of Netcat and NC, and you can see the payload it is given is here, and all the explanation of the payload also it is giving, and the listener setup, how we can catch the reverse shell, optional use case to avoid detection like a base64 encoded payload, and all the details. Again, use this responsibly. It's for educational sandbox environment only. Use case number 3: decoding and encoding data. Need to decode base64 string, URL encode payloads, or even basic obfuscation? KaliGPT handles it instantly. Let me show you how. If you type the command echo and the NBS64 encoded string, and if you hit enter, and you can see the response of KaliGPT, it is simplifying that the output is will be the hello world. This is the encoded version of hello world. No need to go to Google 10 tools, just ask to decode and it will do it for you. Use case number 4, automating repetitive tasks. Let's be real, write the same scan script over and over is boring, right? KaliGPT can generate scripts for nmap automation, directory brute forcing, or parsing logs files. For example, let me show you how you can do it. If you write a prompt like write a bash script to scan top 100 ports on an IP list, and if you hit enter, you can see the result of KaliGPT. It is also writing the bash script for you to scan top 10 for an IP list, and you can see it is also giving how to use and all the information step by step in a procedural manner. Saves time and helps you focus on what matters, analyze and exploitation in labs or courses. Use case number 5, learning and CTF workthrough support. Stuck on a TryHackMe room or a capture the flag challenge, KaliGPT can guide you step by step by explaining hints, commands, or helping with privilege escalation ideas. Let me show you how you can do this. If you write a prompt like help me with a privilege escalation on Linux if I have sudo on nano. If you hit enter, you can see the structured and descriptable response of KaliGPT. It is explaining the scenario, what you observe, and what is the privilege escalation vector, and what is inside. You can how you can achieve the goal to access a root user and why this work. Pro tips, all the details in a single command. Be honest, it doesn't give you the flag, but it teaches you the process. That's what makes it powerful. KaliGPT isn't a hacking tool, it's a learning and productivity booster. It doesn't hack for you, it helps you learn how hacking actually works and how you can hack ethically and responsibly. If you are into bug bounty hunting, penetration testing, or just curious about cybersecurity, this AI can be a game changer in your toolkit. If you also want to become an ethical hacker and also want to learn cybersecurity, you can check out my course. I have already made a cybersecurity full course and all the course about Linux, Nmap, etc. You can check it on the description link in the description. Also check my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.